Right, hello and welcome to this episode of Lowdown Garage. Now, you join me for another day of E30 winter work. I gave it a break for a little bit. It's still looking a bit sorry for itself, but I just got a bit sick of it, so just did some other stuff. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at mounting the rear anti-roll bar. Now, it mounts to that hole there on the rear control arm, and obviously there's two of those. And then at the body mount point, it goes just here on that bit there. What we're going to need to do is make up some brackets. Some to secure it to the body and some to secure the link end to that. And up here, that's where the bush will sit, and we'll have a bracket going round it. Time for some mocking up and some test fitting. So here we have it. This is what you get when you buy the White Line anti-roll bar kit. This is for the rear of a BMW E30. This is what you get. So you get your roll bar finished in a lovely silver. I actually really like it. It's got some flake in it. I was scared it was going to be white for some reason, but luckily it was silver. Then you get your end links, which are nicely polybushed, simple do. Get the bolts to bolt those to your end links, and you get adjustment holes there. So obviously the further up the bar you go, the tauter it'll be, the further down the bar you go, the slacker it'll be. Then you get your D bushers, which are also polybush, and you get some lubricant to put the bushers on, and some general instructions as well. So firstly, I'm going to test fit the actual roll bar itself, as since we have a Z3M diff in this, I'm not sure how good the fitment's going to be. It might be really close, so let's go ahead and give it a look. It's going to be tight up here. Well, we've slid through, just about goes up there, across to here, and there. So now let's take it back out, mount all D bushers, and figure out some brackets. So what we need to do for these D bushers, make some sort of U-shaped bracket. So I'm going to cut these down there and down there, bend this steel around that, drill an hole in it, and have it hook in. And that'll be so this D bush can fit up to that. So if you look at that, wow, see, like that. So that metal bracket is going to come round here and screw in there, hook in there. There we go. Oh, wait. Safety. Safety. My leg's very hot now. So here we go, look. Ooh, that is not wide enough. Cock. That can be used for another bit that we're doing. Here's his bush. Come on. Oh yeah. Right, so you can see we've got his metal bits now, which are there, so we just need to bend those around and hope that they're long enough. And then once we've done that, we can drill some holes. So what we've got to do now is actually make this into that. So it needs to be that type of bracket there. Just got to be hopeful it's long enough, so I'm just going to get to hammering over the vise and see what I can do with it. Oh shit. Right, so now I need to hook that around. It's just how to do that now. Oh, it's kind of working. Have a look. Look at this, watch. Oh yeah. Oh yes. We're getting there. It ain't long enough. Cock. We're going to have to get some new metal. We're back in the garage and, well, we've got some better metal now. That's more like it. There we go. And now, we'll put this in here. Need to find something better for that. Get a socket, right? And get one that just lines up so it hides the bush. Then, get your bit. You want to get that. Use a bit of something to actually support the width properly. So this is the setup I'm going with. Obviously I'm using the socket to get the U-bend, but I'm just using this plate as something to support it. You can see it bending that the way we want. There we go. Now I should be able to hammer it the rest of the way. Right, actually proved to be very difficult to get that bend. So what I did was I bent it round a socket, clamped it in place with vice grips, bent it round a socket. There you go, look at that, good bend. I am quite proud of those. Next up, now we've got the roll bar mounted to the body with those lovely brackets. Next thing to do is get it mounted to the control arm, which will be through this hole here. Got some more metal. Shouldn't be too bad, this one. Literally needs to go like that. Bit of measuring and should be good. Get your hammer. Right, there's the bracket, and that is going to sit just like that. We've got the hole drilled. Going to make another, and I won't bore you with it. Right, so there's the U brackets all sorted and drying. Now obviously we've got the other brackets that we made, they're all dry and ready to be installed. There's the roll bar. So we're going to get those installed on the roll bar and get the roll bar fit. We've got the roll bar. Bushers are on, all greased up, and we've got this hardware there, and I've just repinned the speed sensor so that fits now. So let's get the roll bar fit up. That is looking good. Get that. Right, next up we're going to get the lower control arms in and then connect our new brackets to them and get the roll bar hooked up. We've got, you know, there's a lot of bits to put on the lower arm still, like the brake pipes and all that, but let's get them on and make some progress. Just got to get the holes drilled out for the link bar brackets. Now obviously this bar sits, you know, in there, so we need a hole there so we can put a bolt through. There we go, so it's time to get the arms in. See how this goes then. Limited space would be the word. Get that somewhat in. You can see how close the roll bar comes now. Good do. Now, something I've just worked out is that wanting a roll bar and wanting to be low don't go well together. As we can see, when the arm was compressed up a bit, the roll bar is hitting that. So what I'm going to do is we're going to chop there and then it'll clear to up here. We'll have ability to have the roll bar and ability to be low. So let's get that sorted. Right, well, this is the end of E30 winter work part, I've no idea. Now, you saw me putting that arm in, and, well, there we have it. We've got the arms in. Those arms there are in, and that arm there's in. It turned out I had to drop the subframe again, so it was an absolute nightmare. Anyway, that's all in now. Obviously, we were doing the anti-roll bar mainly. That is ready to be hooked up. What I need to decide is whether I'm going to cut the links down or not. Just need to see how much drive shaft clearance I've got, just because of obviously how low we are. The roll bar's sitting a bit different, but I'm sure you get the gist of how to fit a roll bar. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed a bit of progress on the E30. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.